Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this month is October. My scarf's already kind of messing up my presentation. But anyways, I love the month of October and I love Halloween. So I wanted to get a little jazzed up for you. My skull keeps turning. Don't mind him. But anyway, I'm going to unbox Boxy Charm for you this month. And we'll go over it. We'll see what we think. If you are interested, I'm going to link them in the description below. I'm also going to put the details about Boxy Charm as far as the cost in case you're interested in signing up. And let's get into this box. So I've already opened it. I just haven't really gone through anything. But this is the pamphlet that came in it. For some reason this month I had two in here. I don't know why. So hopefully I don't have anything missing. But let's see. The first item looks like it's a blue. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a blue eyeliner by Luna. Okay. And the shade says Pegasus. Okay, so Luna by Luna eyeliner. These highly pigmented and easy glide pencil eyeliners are perfect to create a full lash line or a playful colored look that lasts all day. Luna eye pencils are available in two gorgeous shades, baby blue and charcoal black. 24-hour wear ensures that after just one application, your look will stay set all day. So I don't know if mine is just a baby blue shade and they are saying that's the two colors. But it's definitely called Pegasus on this pencil, so not sure, but it is definitely a blue. It's really pretty looking, so. But I'm not going to open this because I usually stick eyeliners in giveaways. By the way, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you, so would my other subscribers. We're a family here. We get together every Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We play games, we shoot the shit, just get to know each other, and we just have an awesome time. So we welcome you with open arms and hope that you'll join us too. All right, so here's the next item. And this is by Iconic London. And it's Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Iconic Lip Plumping Glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Okay, and this retails for $26, and it's a really pretty shade. I've actually been dying to try this because if any of you watch Manny MUA, he put the color on and it was actually beautiful, but he was gagging at the smell. He said it smelled just like black licorice and he hated black licorice. So now I have to know what it smells like. It does. I don't hate that smell, but it smells just like black licorice. Let me put some on. Do a little test. I already have some gloss on, but we'll see if my lips get plumper or if I can feel the effects so I know it's working. Oh, yep, it's already tingling. So, it's a real pretty gloss though. All right. You can totally smell it and taste licorice. So if you're somebody who hates black licorice, I'm not a fan of it, but I don't mind it as kind of like a scent or like you can barely taste it. I just wouldn't sit there and eat black licorice. Now this actual eyeliner pencil, I forgot to tell you, it retails for $16. Okay, the next item I received is this guy, and this is the Tarteist Pro Glow. Okay, it's Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream. Oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly on the skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. And this retails for $29. And for those of you, if you're not aware, Tarte is not a cheap brand, so getting it in a subscription is really amazing. This is the size that it came in. It's a really pretty color. Hopefully that's what it looks like on the skin. But anyways, the shade is called Stunner. And then the next item I have in here is by Touch and Soul, which is another great brand. By the way, update on the lips. See how glossy they are? But it's not the type of gloss where you feel like it's going to get all over your face. It actually like stays down. You see what I mean? You can smile and stuff. So if you're interested in that, I like it. I like the shine it added. And it's actually cooling. I thought it was going to like sting. At first I could kind of feel like a, I don't know. You kind of know if you've ever put a plumper on, you can start feeling effects. I started feeling it, but then it went cold. Like it feels like kind of like I had put a cold pack on my lips and took it off. It feels like that, like they're really cool, but it feels good. I like it. So this is what this looks like. Okay, so this is by Touch and Soul. It's Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Holy crap. This thing is $32. $32. Now, when I say I love Touch and Soul, I mean it. This is Touch and Soul right here, and this is my favorite primer. I use it every day. I have it on right now. So, when I say I love Touch and Soul, I love Touch and Soul. It's a great brand, and I believe Boxy Charm's the one that introduced me to them. So I'm excited to try something new from this brand. Okay, so that was $32. And then last item in here, I was really excited to try this brand because I have not tried any palettes. If y'all are new to my channel, I'm obsessed with eyeshadows and things like that. I love doing colors that are vibrant. I don't like the boring everyday brown nudes look. It's fine on other people. I just like, for me, if I want to play with makeup, I want to have fun, and so colors are fun for me. It's how I express myself. So they put this Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette in, and you had several different palettes that you could get, right? Now what was cool was one of my subscribers, who's been here since forever, she got her sneak peek sent to her, and she got the palette I actually wanted. And so when I got my sneak peek, I got the palette she actually wanted. So we have already agreed to trade. This was one I was okay with getting. Like, I was all right with it. I didn't want the brown one. There was a brown one that was coming. But she got the one that was like colors, like really pretty colors. So I cannot wait to get my hands on it. So this is going to go in the mail to her, and she's going to send me mine. And we're both really excited. But anyways, this palette right here, and so do the other ones that other people got, were all $32. So I'll open this and let you see it, and hopefully she's watching. She'll be able to see her palette. But the one I'm getting, I think, is like blue and red, like had all these beautiful colors. This one is Marvelous Mauves. The packaging's gorgeous. And there's a mirror. Take the plastic piece off. They put a brush in there, and these are the colors, which are really pretty. And growing up, I always wore like pinks and reds and mauves and things like that. But now that I'm older, I'm actually like finding my inner rock star and just playing with color, and I love it. So I'm gonna make her day, she's gonna make my day, and it's a win-win situation. So what do you guys think of everything I got? I think it was amazing. Even though I am switching the palettes out, I still do think I got a great palette, and thank God they didn't give me the brown one. Even though for those of you that got the brown one and loved it, no shade to you. I'm always hoping people get what they want. I just wanted the colorful one. But yeah, leave a comment below. Just tell me, what do you think of everything? I know some people got face masks. And that was the one item I was hoping I didn't get because I felt like they were ripping people off with that. It's a whole nother story, but I didn't get that, thank God. And yeah, I'm excited for my box and I can't wait till next month. Okay guys, so that's the video. Again, if you're interested in getting Boxy Charm, if you look, there's a little arrow down below that says description. Click that. I will have everything outlined for you, how much Boxy Charm costs, and even a link for you to click on so you can start your subscription process. Love you guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Hope you guys have a happy Halloween. Mwah. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video.